Okay guys, so well, a lot of people still are using Windows 7, and in case if you have problems with performance, so if it's working slow, I can show you how to fix that. For me it was helpful. Hope it will help to you. So I have few methods. First of method is click on start menu, type here run, and you will see this, yes, program run. Click on it or simply click enter, and you will see such menu. Here you need to type prefetch, so it's prefetch. So type that and click on OK. You will see such folder. In this folder it's as you can see, it's local C, Windows, Prefetch, yeah. So it's a Windows folder, and it's in this folder Windows holding temporary files. So what you can do is you can click on it and select all, or simply on your keyboard press Ctrl A, and you will select all files, and then right click on any file and click on delete. And when you will delete it, you can also empty a recycle bin. So this is the first method. Okay, so the second method is click on start menu again, type here run again, hit enter. You will see such menu again. Type here clean mg and click on OK. 1 second. Yeah, so type clean mg air, yeah, like this, and click on OK. So now it will scan your CD drives, so your hard drive. Yeah, it will take some time. The exact, I'm telling you the exact what you see here, yeah. And if you didn't did that quite frequently, it may take some like for some computers it may take like 10-15 minutes, but usually it's fast. So let's wait. I'll put video on pause. Yeah, so here it is. So now we can see such menu, disk cleanup for drive C. Yes, that's exactly what we need. You can select all files here like this. Don't worry, you are selecting temporary files, so we can delete them without any worry. Yeah, for my case, you can see that recycle bin is full enough, like 10 gigs almost. So we need to clean up system files. Okay. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Yes, of course. So let's wait while it deleted. And so I will put video on pause and I will show you what's next. Okay, so it's completed, and the last what you should do is click again on start menu, type run, press enter, and here we need to type command 3 like this here, and click on OK, and it will restructure all your files, system files here. And after this simple manipulation, yeah, after it completed, your computer should work much faster. So basically what we did, we just cleaned all your computer from all these temporary files, and Windows made us folder restructure. So now it should work much faster. I hope this method was helpful for you, and don't forget to comment this video leave a comment, and if you have any Windows problem, just let me know and I will record a new how to video on YouTube. Have a good day. Bye.